This is Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Tuesday, December 12th. Carnival Panorama has completed its repairs and is on track to return to sailing on December 23rd. The ship recently left Portland's Vigor shipyard after repairing its propulsion system. Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador John Heald confirmed that on December 11th that the emergency repairs on the starboard side azipod are now complete, and the ship is en route to Victoria, British Columbia to have her iconic whale tail put back in place. The whale tail had to be removed for bridge clearance along the Columbia River in the northwest. The ship initially experienced propulsion issues in early November, leading to the cancellation of 6 cruises. And Fincantieri Shipyard announced the keel laying of the Star Princess at their shipyard in Italy. This marks the construction of the second Sphere-class cruise ships for Princess. Now, this is designed to accommodate 4,300 guests and be 175,000 gross registered tons, with its inaugural season starting on August 4th of 25. The ship will debut in the Mediterranean and Southern Europe and will arrive in Florida for a Caribbean season in November of 25. And following yesterday's news of all Miami's cruise berths being at total capacity for a couple of days this month, the port announced they're back on top. Port Miami set a new cruising record, welcoming 7.3 million passengers in 2023, a nearly 7% increase from the previous record in 2019. Now, this news comes after Port Canaveral stole the title of Cruise Capital of the World from South Florida last year. Miami-Dade County Mayor Daniela Levine Cava praised the Port Miami team for its busiest year, highlighting the port's role in driving local economy and its commitment to sustainable growth. The port's recovery after the pandemic has been strengthened due to the launch of 3 new cruise terminals and 1 on the way. And cruise line stocks were down on Monday. Carnival Corporation down 2.6%, 17.63. Royal Caribbean flat, 120.41, and Norwegian down 1.4%, 18.42. If you have a lead on a story, you can send it our way, tips@cruiseradio.net. Here from Vegas, well, the MGM Grand Hotel here in Vegas one last time. Went and checked out Toby Keith's concert tonight, one of his first shows back since he had stomach cancer. First performance in 4 years, too. Killer. I'll leave you with some footage from it.
Hey, Uncle Sam, what's your name? Top of his list. The Statue of Liberty's gonna shake their fist. The Eagle will fly. Trey second. And you know the freedom's gonna ring in this. It'll feel like the wide world. Ringing around. We've done this a few times. Hey, that's the rock team.